Hi guys, how are you doing? How are you feeling? I know the number one question everyone is having on the internet right now. Restream. What is Restream? Why is everyone making a big fuss about it? Should I use it? Should I not use it? How do people use it? How do I start? Worry less. I am here to teach you everything you need to know, everything you need to learn about restream so that you can stream your own videos, your own content, your own channel, and so that you can get your 4,000 watch hours and your 1,000 subscribers, and then you get monetized. Your channel becomes a YouTube partner and you start earning. How cool is that? How cool is that? I know that's why you are here, and without further much ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, make sure you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you enjoyed the video and if you learned something. Now, everyone is talking about restream, and this is because they have recently added a new feature which allows you to loop videos. Now, looping videos is allowing videos to replay and replay and replay. So when one video ends, you can replay and replay. How cool is that? And in return, you get your 4,000 watch hours. Now, this is how to go about restream um restreaming your video, restreaming your content. Now, there's a few things I'm gonna advise. Make sure when you're using restream, you use your own videos so that you don't get copyright claims on maybe sounds or photos or someone else's content. So if you're going to use restream, make sure you're using your own content. This way you don't get any copyright claim and you get to enjoy all the fruits, all the watch hours, all the subscribers, and everything nice. Okay, that is really all the caution I have. And without further much ado, let's get restreaming. Let's go. Come.
Open Google Chrome. Type restream.io. Page loading. Sign in with Google. Page loading. Opening. Login page. New stream. Now select Restream Studio. Option number 1. Processing. One moment. Almost there. Accessing camera. Now schedule your live stream. Add details when to start and stop live stream. Scheduling live stream. This is how to connect to YouTube and Facebook channel. Add YouTube channel. Allow permission. Processing. YouTube channel added. Successfully. Now we can restream to YouTube. Easy. Now let's choose a video to live stream. I will choose this one. Add title and details. Schedule time to start and stop.
Hello, my name is Liz Nzilani and this is the Liz Nzilani channel. Guys, I know why you are here, and the question most of us YouTubers are having right now: how can I grow my own channel? How can I grow my subscribers? How can I get 4,000 watch hours? How can I get monetized? How can I start earning from YouTube? How can I become a YouTube partner? Guys, I have done my own research and I am here with the tea, with the juice, with all the fun facts, everything you need to know and everything you need to see. So grab a pen, grab a paper, and let me teach you on some tricks and hacks that everyone is using, but no one is really talking about them, okay? So, if you're wondering, how can I grow my own YouTube channel in 2025? How can I grow my subscribers? How can I get to 1,000 subscribers? How can I get 4,000 watch hours? How can I get views? How can I get monetized on my channel? Guys, I have a few tips for you. And the first one is, guys, make sure you are uploading shorts. YouTube shorts are everything right now, and this is because YouTube is promoting YouTube shorts. So you have absolutely no reason, no excuse to not be uploading shorts. I'm not saying you should not upload your long form videos, that's fine. But if you want to grow your subscribers fast, if you want to get views fast, if you want to get to that 4K watch hours, start uploading shorts. Now, shorts can these are short form videos which can be 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute. I know they are testing out a feature which allows up to 3 minutes short, but it's not yet out in my country. If it's there in your country, well and good, use it. If it's not, use what we have and let's roll with it. So if you're not uploading shorts, get on to it. Make sure you're uploading shorts. Upload at least 2, 3, 5, or a maximum of 10 per day, and you will see the growth. Be sure to come back and thank me later, okay guys? Now, I know we are all stressing. Oh my god, how can I get this 4,000 watch hours? No one is watching my views. If they watch it, the 300 days threshold reaches before I get monetized and all my watch hours got into waste. I got the solution for you. Have you tried restream.io? Have you? I know you have not. Now, lately there's been a buzz on whether people should use restream. Should you use it? Should you not use it? What are the benefits? What are the disadvantages? I'm here to tell you, if you're struggling to get the 4,000 watch hours, definitely, and I mean definitely, use restream. Now, this is how you're gonna use restream the right way, okay? Because we don't want you to use it and then your channel gets banned or you get demonetized for some reason. You use it in the correct way. And the first thing you want to make sure you're using your own videos. This way you won't have to get copyright. You won't get copyright from using someone else's content, someone else's music, someone else's video or faces. If you have to have sound, make it your own sound. Let it be you speaking. Do not use music because you might get copyright from the owner. Okay, if you don't really want the sound, you can use silent restream. How cool is that? And the whole thing just keeps on restreaming, and you can attach it on your YouTube channel, and it will just keep on going, and you will get your 4,000 watch hours, and in addition you get extra subscribers. How cool is that? How cool is that? I know not everyone is telling you, but I am here to tell you. Okay, if you're enjoying my video so far, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below for me, share to a lot of people so everyone can know what is happening, and let's grow. Number 3, guys. Number 3, make sure when you're uploading your long form videos, do not use your phone to upload. This is because it doesn't give you a lot of features, a lot of editings to play around, and to ensure that your video is up to standard. Instead, use your YouTube desktop. If you don't have a desktop, use youtube.studio.com. Just type in on your browser, Google Chrome, whichever you're using. Just type in YouTube Studio, and then it will bring you the login page. You can log in using your, if you do not have a desktop, you can do this absolutely using your phone. All you need to do, go to your browser, Google or Google Chrome, whichever you're using, type in youtube.studio.com, and then it brings you the site, and you can log in, and then you can upload your videos just the same way as the person who has a desktop or a laptop does. And this will guarantee you more views, more likes, more subscribers, and visibility of your videos, because now you are uploading the right way, and YouTube can now understand your content. It can now understand your videos and push it to the right audience, and in return you get to grow, you get to get subscribers, you get to get your watch hours, and you get to monetize. How cool is that? How cool is that? Now, the other thing, this is the fourth thing that I'm going to tell you, that I'm going to teach you. When you're uploading your videos, make sure that your title matches your video. Make sure you're using the correct title, the correct description, the correct thumbnail, and the correct tags. Now, if you don't know how to make your own thumbnail, here is a video on how you can learn. Make sure that your thumbnail stands out. It's captivating, it's eye-catching, and they just want to click on your video and watch it, and in return you get your views and you get your subscribers. Okay, the other thing, make sure you're using the right tags according to your video, the right keywords, so that when people type in those keywords, your videos appear on the top and your videos rank. Okay, so those are my 5 tips on how to grow, on how to get your 4,000 watch hours, on how to get your 1,000 subscribers. Number 1, I talked about YouTube Shorts. Make sure you're uploading YouTube Shorts. Okay, number 2, make sure you're using restream.io to get those 4,000 watch hours, guys. Okay, number 3, make sure you're using a YouTube Studio desktop to upload your videos. Do not use your mobile phone. Okay, number 4, make sure your title, make sure your thumbnail, they are catching, they're captivating, someone just wants to click on your video, they're appealing. And number 5, make sure you're using the right tags, the right keywords, and the correct CEO. See you on my next video. Until then, bye guys.